This is the crew. This is the crew. Golf.
That's blood. That's blackmail.
This is me? No. We got to do this beautiful ass scenery over here, man. Look at this. Lake Michigan. Guys weekend. Doing a golf weekend with the guys. Now this is the crew you want to be with. This is definitely the crew you want to be with. But get this, man. Check this out. Hot tub. Entryway right there to the master. Wish I would be in the master bedroom. Anyways, we got beautiful, beautiful. I mean, look at that. A sandy fucking beach. All the way down. Like, you don't appreciate this. There's something wrong with you, right? Look at this. All the way down. Look at that. It's so nice. It's like almost being on the ocean without the ocean. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, how fortunate are these people to be living in a place like this, huh? But this is our Airbnb. Hopefully we'll get a fire later on, but so our trash could be burned. Brought a bunch of firewood up from the fucking shop. And it's like this. Look at these guys. Probably need to repaint this deck, but look at these guys. Spying on them. Spying on them. You got
I love you guys.
business owner, you got a principal, a retired firefighter, guy that does this, and we're waiting for the rest of the crew to come back. Anyways, we'll do a part 2. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.